Namaskaram. Wish you a very happy Navaratri and welcome to our 2023 Bommala-koluvu. Last year's Bommala-koluvu was themed around yugas. Last time we talked about four yugas: Manvantara, Kalpa, life of Brahma, and the age of the universe. Visit Maitreya blog on WordPress for more information on yugas through our 2022 Bommala-koluvu. The link to the blog is maitreyablog.wordpress.com and also on the screen. Yugas are mentioned in our Puranas. Needless to say, Puranas become our theme for this year's Bommala-koluvu. So let's try and understand what are Puranas, what is their authority, how many kinds do we have, and their importance. Before we jump into Puranas, let's get our basics right. Are Puranas and Vedas the same? What about Itihaasa? Are they Puranas? So, what's the difference between Vedas, Puranas, and Itihaasa? Vedas are ancient texts and are of four kinds: Rig, which contains hymns praising deities; Yajur, which contains mantras and processes for those rituals; Sama, which contains hymns with musical notation; and Atharva, which contains mantras for various personal or social purposes. Each of the four main Vedas are divided into four parts. The first part, Samhita, contains the mantras to be chanted. The second, Brahmanas, contains instructions to perform rituals, and Aranyakas contains the meaning of those rituals, and finally, the Upanishads contain the philosophical discussion with a quest to understand the ultimate truth. So, what does the Vedas mean to a common man? To a common man, they are scriptures that permeate Sanatana Dharma, which contains wisdom and a set of practices, rituals, and philosophy of life to help them live lives fully and to enable them to discover the eternal truth. Itihasa. The word Itihasa can be broken down to Itihasa, translating to mean so it happened. A work is called Itihasa when the author of the text is also a witness to the events mentioned in the text. The two main Itihasas are Ramayana and Mahabharata. Valmiki composed the Ramayana during the lifetime of Rama. Vyasa, author of the Mahabharata, lived during the time of the five Pandavas and was witness to the events. Rig Veda talks about a great war of Bharat, the Dacharajna War, the Battle of Ten Kings. This, in my opinion, is also our Itihasa.